We suffered 5 miscarriages over the course of 5 years. We tried to have a baby, and we thought it wasn't gonna happen. And then once we got pregnant with Callie and everything was going well, we dubbed her the miracle baby. She was born 4 pounds, 5 ounces, this little feisty ball of fire. And she was in the NICU just until she could gain some weight and learn how to eat from a bottle. We brought her home the day after my stepson's birthday. I felt like we were complete. Like we were finally this family of 4 under one roof. It was a Sunday afternoon and she made a cough, but not a cough like you would think of whooping cough, like where they're gasping for air. It was more like a toddler mimics a parent. So on Monday, we called the doctor. They said, bring her in, and we did. Everything was fine. Wednesday, she wouldn't eat. She just didn't look good. So we went to the doctor, and as we were there, she stopped breathing in my arms. They took us by ambulance to the ER. They ended up keeping us, and that's when things kind of exploded. Once she was gone, we went in on a Wednesday, and she passed on Saturday morning. They kept saying it was respiratory failure. They had tested her for pertussis, and it all came back as pertussis, which is whooping cough. The CDC representative told us they tracked it back to a nurse in the hospital. The biggest thing that I want everybody to realize is that everybody needs a Tdap booster shot, because you're gonna come into contact with somebody's child at some point in time, and you could be carrying a disease and not know it. But if you have that booster shot, it's one less thing that parent has to worry about that you could infect their child. It's so important for women who are pregnant and they're going into their 3rd trimester to get the flu shot and the Tdap, because this could happen to anybody. Our life now, we call ourselves a circus because we're always busy. We have 3 very active little kids. I work, my husband works, and we run a charity. I mean, our life is a circus, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Vaccinate Your Family came into my life, and they have given us the platform to share Callie with the world. And I will forever be grateful for all of them, because if it wasn't for that phone call, I'm not sure where we would be. We only held her for 37 days, but in our hearts, she will live forever.